Attach definition, attach in a sentence, attach pronunciation, attach meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of attach. 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 Attach as a verb means to join or to attribute value to. Common usages in academic writing: attach the document, attach meaning to, attachment style. Example sentence: attach, verb. The test tube was securely attached to the outside of the vehicle. The common academic writing variation is attachment, noun. Emotional attachment to one's mother can be formed even before birth. Please write a sentence using attach in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use attach confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.